So I found one place that I can actually get some Wi-Fi, and then I'm followed by about 17 police cars, yeah? All fucking stalking me, swarming, jumping up onto the curb, and honestly, right opposite where I use the Wi-Fi is now fucking like 17 stalker police cars for absolutely no reason for what's going on. I've probably walked about a kilometer, and I've had police cars literally just fucking slowly walk behind me, and now I'm coming over to the hotel just to use the Wi-Fi, and directly opposite, yeah, there just happens to be a shitload of police officers, and a lot of the police officers are the ones who've actually been terrorizing me the whole fucking time. Like, you've got to be goddamn kidding me, man. I literally walked less than half a kilometer, and police have literally stalked me from the moment I walked out my house, which is in a tiny little area in Düsseldorf, and literally follow me about 5 miles an hour everywhere, all the way to the city center, right opposite where I'm going to use the Wi-Fi. It's unfucking believable.